Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to learn French? In today's lesson, we are talking about Mark's story. It's a story about passion, about drive, about becoming a successful person after graduation. We're talking about professional experiences, interviews, and so on. We're going to learn some vocabulary related to it, and also you'll have a challenge at the end to answer a few questions down in the comments for you to practice your French and practice what you learned. Don't forget also to subscribe, like, share, of course, and also to check the description box for details about my courses and how I can help you through them or through one-on-one sessions to learn French even more. So now, let's start the lesson. Marc était un jeune diplômé en marketing digital. Après avoir obtenu son diplôme, il a cherché pendant plusieurs mois un emploi stable, mais le marché du travail était très concurrentiel. Un jour, il a trouvé une annonce pour un poste de responsable marketing dans une grande entreprise. Le travail semblait parfait pour lui, mais il devait d'abord passer un entretien. Le jour de l'entretien, Mac a mis un costume soigné et préparé son CV. Now, let's also see this in English. Mark was a young uh, man licensed in digital marketing. After obtaining his diploma, he searched among um, he searched for a stable job during the past few months, but the work market was very competitive. One day, he found an announcement for a job of responsible responsible marketing. It means marketing manager. So for a marketing manager in a big company, entreprise is company. Le travail semblait parfait pour lui. The work seemed perfect for him, but he had to, firstly, d'abord, passer un entretien, pass an interview. L'entretien is the interview. The day of the interview, Mark put on a smart suit, an elegant suit. Soigné means smart, elegant, groomed, et a préparé son CV. And he prepared his CV. Lorsqu'il est arrivé, il a rencontré le directeur des ressources humaines, Madame Durand, et lui a posé des questions sur son expérience professionnelle, mais aussi sur ses aspirations futures. Marc a parlé de son désir de progresser dans le domaine du marketing et de s'établir dans une entreprise où il pourrait utiliser ses compétences. Now, let's also translate in English. Lorsque means as soon as. Lorsqu'il est arrivé, as soon as he arrived, il a rencontré, it means to meet with someone, to encounter someone. Il a rencontré le directeur, he encountered the director of human resources, le directeur des ressources humaines, Miss Durand. Elle lui a posé, it means to, we have here poser des questions, which means to address questions to someone. So she addressed him some questions about his experience, his professional experience, but also about his future aspiration, future goals. Mark spoke of his desire, le désir is the desire, his desire to progress, to advance, progresser means to advance, in the domain of marketing and to establish himself, s'établir, establish himself, um, or rather establish oneself in a company where he could use his skills. Les compétences are the skills. Après l'entretien, il a attendu quelques jours avant de recevoir la bonne nouvelle. Il avait été sélectionné pour le poste. En commençant son travail, Marc a rapidement constaté que l'entreprise avait une culture d'entreprise très dynamique et encourageante. Il s'est adapté à son nouveau rôle et a même eu l'opportunité de changer de département pour travailler sur un projet international. Cette nouvelle expérience l'a non seulement épanoui, mais lui a aussi permis de découvrir de nouvelles compétences dans le marketing international. Now let's also give this a shot and translate it into English. After the interview, après l'entretien, il a attendu. This comes from the verb attendre, which means to wait. He waited for a few days. Quelques, it means a few. Avant de recevoir, before receiving, the good news, la bonne nouvelle. Il avait été sélectionné, he was selected for the job. En commençant, it is the gerund form of the verb commencer, so starting his work. En commençant son travail, Mark has rapidly or has fastly um, reached the conclusion, constaté to reach a conclusion, that the company had a very dynamic and encouraging work culture or company culture, culture d'entreprise. Il s'est adapté, he adapted himself to his new role and has had himself même um, well actually has had himself even l'opportunité de changer de département to change departments. Le département is the department in order to pour means in order to or to work on an international project. Le projet is the project. International, international. Cette nouvelle expérience, this new experience, has not only fulfilled him, épanoui means fulfilled, seulement is an adverb that comes from the adjective seul, which means single, okay, or alone, mais lui a aussi permis, it also allowed him, permis is the past participle of the verb permettre, all right, to discover, découvrir, it means to discover new skills in the international marketing. Now let's start going over some vocabulary that we've learned. Marketing digital, digital marketing. Marc travaille dans le marketing digital depuis 3 ans. You could, as a practice exercise, also translate in English these sentences that I've created using the vocabulary in the text. Or even better, you could try to make your own sentences other than the ones that I provided as an example for uh, for your own practice and leave a comment down below. All right, let's continue. Emploi, a job. Après avoir terminé ses études, il a cherché un emploi dans son domaine. Concurrentiel, compétitive, le marché du travail est devenu de plus en plus concurrentiel. De plus en plus, it means more and more, all right? And also, notice devenu, which is the past participle of the verb devenir. Responsable marketing, marketing manager, elle a été embauchée comme responsable marketing dans une grande entreprise. Embaucher comes from the verb embaucher, which means to hire. So embaucher is hired. Costume, it's the suit. Il portait un costume impeccable pour l'entretien. CV, résumé au curriculum vitae. Marc a envoyé son CV à plusieurs entreprises. Expérience professionnelle, professional experience. Son expérience professionnelle dans le marketing était impressionnante. Aspiration, aspirations, goals. Il a parlé de ses aspirations à long terme dans le marketing. Progresser, it means to progress. For example, Marc veut progresser dans son domaine. S'établir, to settle, or to establish oneself. Il espère s'établir dans une entreprise internationale. Sélectionner, it means to select. Après l'entretien, il a été sélectionné pour le poste. Culture d'entreprise, company culture. La, la culture d'entreprise dans ces sociétés est très motivante. Motivante, it is, how do we say it? Motivating. Changer de département. That means to change departments. Marc a eu la chance de changer de département et de travailler sur un projet international. Épanoui means fulfilled. Il se sentait épanoui dans son nouveau poste. He felt fulfilled in his new job. Marketing international, it means international marketing. Il a découvert le marketing international grâce à son projet. Now notice the usage of grâce à, which means thanks to. Now it's time for a test. Answer these questions in the comments. Quelle était la spécialisation de Marc après ses études? Quel poste Marc a-t-il obtenu après l'entretien? Pourquoi Marc voulait-il travailler dans cette entreprise? Comment Marc a-t-il réagi à l'opportunité de changer de département? Et qu'est-ce qui a contribué au succès de Marc dans son nouveau travail? It was a pleasure teaching you French today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel in order to be notified of future lessons. And of course, check out the descriptions with information related to our courses and how we can help you learn French even more. For now, bye bye.